Welcome to the NVIDIA MXM GPU journey. Let's dive into the exciting world of NVIDIA professional graphics. First, we'll explore how the new generation GPU surpasses the old one by improving visualization over 100%, especially in the professional and rendering. Next, you will discover that the MXM GPU operates efficiently with just 35 to 115 watts, making it ideal for integration into fanless and compact systems. Finally, our customization service enables seamless GPU integration, enhancing AI capabilities such as AI inference, generative AI. Join us to unlock the potential of MXM GPU. Click the link below to watch the complete video on Advantech IoT Academy.